Hey guys, it's Daichi here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title of this video, we're going to be just doing a fun, colorful makeup tutorial. I'm really excited because I feel like I just want to bring back fun makeup. I feel like there's so much like soft glam, clean girl makeup, and I'm just like, guys, let's get back to fun, colorful, full glam makeup, because that is where I live. That is my box, that is my home, that is my love. I just love it so much. So if you guys want to see this colorful full glam makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna prime my eyelids with the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer in the shade Tan Ochre. This would also probably be like a cute little like festival makeup look with the eyeshadow. The face is gonna be full glam, so I don't know if that's good for festivals because you're gonna be sweating. I mean, I'm going to Roots Picnic, which I'm so freaking excited about. I went before, but I'm excited to go again. I always do full glam foundation. That's just me. I don't really mind like feeling like I have on a bunch of makeup, which it doesn't even feel that heavy, so I don't really mind it. But if you want to do a different base for this look, I feel like it would be a very cute festival makeup look. If you like colorful looks, I definitely recommend getting this Makeup Revolution Alexa Stone palette. It just has a bunch of colors and it has like a gradient of the colors. So like if you want to do a blue look, it has all the gradients of like a light to a dark blue and all that good stuff. So I love this palette. As you can see, the yellow is very well loved. So yeah, first we're gonna start with the lightest pink in the palette, and we're gonna take that on a M330 brush, and we're just gonna start blending that in the inner corner of the eye, and we're using like circular motions to blend that out. We're gonna take the second pink on that same brush and just do the same thing. And now on a M506 brush, we're going to take the darkest pink and just put that on the same spot but under those shades, just to darken it up some more. Now we're going to take the first shade of the blue row and just put that on the outer corner of my eye on a M504 brush as well. We're going to take the second blue, and just blend that under where we put the first blue. Now we're going to take the third purple and just blend that out on the outer corner as well. Okay, and now we're going to take the ABH Cream Contour Kit, and we're going to take the first shade. This is in the shade Fair, by the way, and we're going to basically cut the front half of the crease with it, but in like a square type shape. Okay, and now we're going to take the yellow and basically set where I cut the crease with that yellow. Okay, and now I'm gonna take the NYX Modern Dreamer palette. I actually really like this. I love this palette as well for colorful looks. It has a few good colorful eyeshadows, as you can see, but right now we're just gonna take the second shade in the first row, which is like a champagne shimmer shade. I'm just gonna take that and put it on the top of where we cut the crease at, not fully on the lid, but just like around where we put the cut crease, and also on the outer part of where we put the cut crease. And we're gonna blend that out. Now I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner. So now I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, probably do some foundation and all that good stuff, and then I'll come back with you guys to do the under eye. Yeah, I'll be right back. So I did my other eye off camera. Now we're just gonna do the under eye. So basically what we're gonna do is take the same colors that we use at the top and put it on the bottom. So the first color that we're gonna take is the second pink. I'm just gonna put that on the inner corner of the under eye. And then we're gonna take a dry brush cleaner and just clean off that brush. And then we're gonna take the second blue and put that under where we put the blue. And then we're gonna take the third purple and just blend that under where we put the purple. Cute. Okay. So I don't know what I want to do for lips. Usually when I do like a loud eyeshadow, I don't really like do anything for lips. So let me figure out what I want to do for lips and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished colorful makeup tutorial. I love it so much. I kind of feel like it looks similar to my spring makeup tutorial, but that's fine. It's giving very festival, it's giving very colorful and fun, and I just love it so much. I love doing fun eyeshadow looks. Like I said at the top of this video, it just makes me feel happy and like artistic, and you should definitely get more into like fun full glam makeup. If you're like a soft glam clean girl makeup, then definitely like get more into like 2016 full glam makeup, because it just is so fun and it makes you feel so inspired. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below for your convenience. Follow me on TikTok. I am definitely the most active on there besides YouTube. So if you want to see more of me, definitely follow me over there and subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers. Hi to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. I love you all so very much. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.